In the heart of South America lies the Amazon rainforest, Earth's green lung and one of the most powerful natural wonders on our planet. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, it shelters more than 3 million species, from jaguars and monkeys to poison dart frogs and pink dolphins. The Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen and creates its own rainfall, shaping weather patterns far beyond its borders. But every day, deforestation and fires destroy vast areas of this precious forest. If the Amazon dies, we lose far more than trees. We risk our planet's future. Protecting it is no longer optional. It's essential. Thanks for watching. Please click the link. It costs you nothing, but helps me a lot.